What's up, guys? The lithium battery giveaway is over as of yesterday, and we had a great turnout of entries for current Diamond C owners and non-Diamond C owners. And so instead of 3 batteries, we just upped the ante and we are giving away 4 of these new lithium batteries, 3 to current Diamond C owners and 1 to a non-Diamond C owner. So with no further ado, we will get down with the Diamond C owners. The first one that's going to get one of these brand new Grand Teton K2 Energy lithium batteries is Northwest Forestry Services. Our second winner is Colorado Stonescapes. And then our third Diamond C winner is David Flip. Now, our non-Diamond C owner is Josh Nethery. So a round of applause for you guys. DM us your shipping information, your contact information, either on Instagram or Facebook, and we will contact you back and get these shipped out to you, drop shipped to you ASAP. Now, if you didn't win this time, don't be trying to slip us your address and trying to get in on that. Maybe we'll do it again, you can get next time. Or go buy you a Diamond C and outfit it with a new lithium battery.